Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Polygon Matic. The current price of the Polygon, the price is okay in the Polygon. In this video I will show you friends, and a lot of holders doing a very big mistake on this time. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. Keep watch this video till the end friends for better understanding. If you are doing these mistakes, so absolutely you are in the loss. And please, that is why I suggest all of you that please don't do this mistake, and be safe from loss friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends. Before starting, if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing every stake channel friends. Thank you so much once again friends. If you look the price of the Polygon Matic at this time, so the price is 0.974437 USD is the currently at this time price of the Polygon Matic. And on the other hand, if you look the price changes over in the Polygon Matic, so the last 1 hour price change as negative friends, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week change as going positive friends. Let's see the price chart for better understanding what's going in this chart in Polygon Matic friends. As I show you that the last 1 hour pricing as negative friends, so especially in the last 1 hour, and also on this point friends, holders doing very big mistake. What mistake? When they see the small falls occur in the Polygon Matic, so they understand that there's a continuously fast of the Polygon Matic friends. So they want to sell Matic coin in this time. So don't sell it. Why are you selling Polygon Matic on this time? I know that at this time the fast occur in a Polygon Matic, but that's not mean that you go to sell Polygon Matic friends. There's a temporary fast after some this fast continue for one hour for 2 hour, and after that they again take a jumping. So that's not mean that's how you can make a good amount of profit if you hold your Polygon Matic. So that's how that is why that's how you can make a good amount of profit with the Polygon Matic. And if you sell your Polygon Matic at this time, so that's not a good way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. My prediction about Polygon Matic is positive. That is why I suggest for all of you that please hold in, and I hope that they will give you good amount of profit in the future friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price change occur in the Polygon Matic is positive 6.56%. So that's mean that the price change occur in the Polygon Matic is positive, and that is clear that the Polygon Matic give you only and only profit friends. The highest price is 0.996073 USD is the highest price of the Polygon Matic friends. Absolutely, my prediction is positive about Polygon. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box. And kind friends, once again I'm telling you that please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates.